Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and this is Beyond a Lane. I'm coming at you today with a short unboxing video. I recently received a Vox box from Influencer, and if you're not familiar with Influencer, download the app and I'll link it down below. Influencer is where you can go and take a bunch of different surveys to determine different products that you like. You're also able to review products on their site. And it's a good way to shop for things that you've never tried before. It's not an actual shopping app, but you can look through and see what people are saying about the products that you want to buy. And it's awesome. This is probably my 4th or 5th Vox box I've received. The more active you are, the more times and the more chances you have at receiving a Vox box. And this one is a hair care centered box. It's from the brand OGX, and I just wanted to open it with you guys and kind of check out what's in it. I will post some footage of me actually trying the products out and what the end result is going to look like. So with that, let's get to it. So when I got the box, I noticed right away it's the brand OGX, and it's the Pracaxi oil recovery line, and it's pretty heavy. Like there's some stuff in here. So, and then with Influencer, when you do get the boxes, you definitely want to show unboxing them. You definitely want to test out the products, review them where they tell you to on your social media. That's part of, you know, the program. That's how you get the free stuff. So make sure you do that. But yeah, anyways, let's open the box and we'll check out what's in here. So, ooh, hey, so there's green tissue paper and then the card on top. So yeah, there's that little cheeky sneak peek. You can thank Cherry Wallace for that little line. If you have not checked her out, she is huge on the Harry Potter stuff, which I am a huge fan of, and eventually, like, I'll have a collection that equals hers or rivals it at least. But yeah, I read Harry Potter when the first book came out, and I think I was 3rd grade, so I had to have been like 10 or 11, and I grew up with him throughout the series. Like, it's awesome. I am trying to obtain all the illustrated versions of the books because they're really cool if you've never seen one. Anyway, back to the box. We'll go into all that another time. So it comes with a card, and it says on the front, this is going to show up backwards. I'm filming with my phone. I apologize. I still am trying to save up to get a better camera. So until then, this is kind of what we're stuck with. So it says Pracaxi oil. Keep frizz and dryness away with a blend of Brazilian Pracaxi oil and Muru butter. Say that 10 times fast. This collection provides deep hydration and shiny, natural-looking definition with a color-safe anti-frizz formula that helps leave curls and waves silky smooth. XO OGX. And so with these, like I said on the back, so what you'll do is when you receive the box, you're going to log into your Influencer app and check out your Uncap the Love campaign, which is what this product line is for. You're going to write a review on influencer.com and post on social using hashtag #UncapTheLove. Number 3, stay tuned for the post survey to share your feedback about your products. So you get to, so what's really fun is I'm looking at 4 full-size products in my lap. I didn't get sample size, I got full-size products. And that's really exciting. So let's go ahead and check out the first couple things, which is obviously the shampoo and conditioner. They're about this size. They're both 385 milliliters or 13 fluid ounces. They're pretty hefty little guys. I'm really excited. So there's a shampoo and conditioner. And then what else we've got is their 60-second moisture treatment. Comes in this little thing here. And this one you'll actually, I was reading up on the product line before I did this video, but I'll read it to you anyway. After shampooing, apply to damp hair, focusing on mid-shaft to end. So you're not going to do your roots. You're going to do mid-shaft, which is about here, to your ends, because that's where the most damage, I feel like, occurs to your hair. And then wait 60 seconds, rinse hair thoroughly. And then what you use after you get out of the shower, so I think you can do the conditioner or you can do the 60-second cream. But the conditioner, let's see, After shampooing, apply conditioner generously to hair, working through to ends, wait 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse hair. So this you would do like every time you wash your hair, and then I feel like every once in a while you would do the 60-second cream. So, and then what we have left is the combing cream, which is in the squeeze bottle. And then this you'll actually apply a small amount to your palm, rub hands together, then apply evenly to surface of damp, towel dried hair, working through to ends. Comb through with a wide tooth comb or scrunch hair with hands. Let air dry or use a diffuser. So I am really excited to test this out. Believe it or not, I know my hair is straight in this video, but I actually used to have quite a bit of natural curl and wave. It was more wavy when it would dry versus curly. I could get it to stay curly if I use like gel and hairspray and stuff like that, but there is natural curl there. I will have to find some pictures of like when I was a kid so you can see. But I'm really excited to test these products out. Thank you so much to Influenster for sending them out, and to OGX for providing us with the products to test. I can't wait, you know, to get these products in my hair and see what they do. So like I said, I'm going to link the Influencer info below, and then keep an eye out because I'll definitely be posting about them as I use them. So, but yeah, that's kind of all I had for you guys today. I do have more things coming that I'm really excited to share with you. Some writing, more videos, more unboxing videos. If you didn't know, the FabFitFun Summer Edition box should be here soon. I'm hoping it's supposed to ship by the beginning of June. Hey guys, totally forgot to film my outro. If you want to keep up with me in my adventures, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and then ring the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. I have really appreciated you guys hanging out with me. I've missed you. I hope to be on here more often with a solid posting schedule that I am working on. Hopefully around the beginning of July, we'll be on here, you know, at least once a week, if not 3 times a month. So anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thank you to Influencer for sending me a VoxBox. Thank you to OGX for providing the products that I get to try. I'm so excited and I can't wait to share my experience with you guys. Have a great day and I will catch you next time. Love you all. Bye.